Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, though, this is basically, now let me take a step back. I'm not saying this towards the company. I'm not implying that the company is being run out of some bunker in South Korea or North Korea or Somalia or anything like that. But just from a price behavior standpoint, based on the price action of today, and this was just a pump and dump. I mean, there's really no other way to put it. I mean, you look at the big spike that occurred, was looking great, and then totally rolled back over. And did it all go straight back to where it was? It didn't. But overall, the big movement that occurred, and that was, a very valid move to get excited about. I mean, there is no doubt about it. Nobody was silly. Nobody was stupid for seeing that big green candle on the big green volume bar and getting excited and thinking, hey, you know what? Is this the start of something bigger? Is a bigger breakout occurring? That was a more than rational thought to have. But then, just like I said, that has completely been wiped away, which makes this interesting. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, then I'm sure you've seen these these kind of pump and dump type movements here, and there can be some very nice snapback bounces. So what I'm very curious about going forward is right around that 868 mark. Of course, there's no guarantees, but it's valid to think, you know what? If this craziness continues now down here, could there be some sort of double bottom where you have this bottom, and then you'd have that bottom, and then you get some sort of bigger bounce to the upside? Again, guaranteed? Absolutely not. A rational, a valid thought to be having? Yeah, definitely. And like I said, especially the follow-up moves when you have crazy price movement where the price explodes upwards and all of a sudden goes back. Then all of a sudden, sometimes you can get that second breath, which, makes it even bigger than the first one. So worth at least keeping an eye on. But as always, that's why risk management is so important, just because, there's no guarantees in the market. But I'm very curious about that 870-ish mark moving forward. But yeah, overall today, a very disappointing day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.